Hello beautiful, today we are bringing back the summer with this colorful makeup and my lollipop earrings. Honestly, I'm not ready for the fall. What is this? I just want summer to stay a little bit longer, please. Can I have that? I'm asking for too much. I hope not, but I mean, we still have the good weather. I mean, yeah, it's kind of summer, but it's not, it's not summer. It doesn't feel like summer. It feels like the beginning of the cold season with a lot of rain. Anyway, so as I said, today we're going to bring the summer back with this colorful makeup look. I use the Beauty Bay Pastels palette. This is my second time using this palette. I do really love the colors, like, oh my god, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. Wow, I want to put them all over me. You have to kind of insist a little bit to get that pigmentation, but I do love them. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, as I said in the video, nothing went smooth for me today. Everything went so bad, so bear with me, okay? Anyway, let's jump into the video if you guys are interested to see how I got this makeup look. Why would my eyes turn similar today? Like, why would they do that? I'm telling you, nothing works out for me today. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the universe trying to tell me to stop f***ing around and get a job, you know? But I'm not gonna do that because I love makeup. And I love doing this, okay? So I'm going to keep doing this until I succeed. Bitch, you best believe that. Let's try again, okay? Patience. You need a lot of patience. And I have plenty. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I had to put on these lollipop earrings because they are so cute and I haven't had the occasion to wear them so far, and I feel like they are so perfect for this makeup look, even though you can't really see them because of my hair. I love them. I wish they were a little bit smaller, but it's okay. So let me know down below what you guys think about this makeup look. I feel like I haven't done anything like this so far. I do love the color combo. As I said, everything went bad today, so I had to improvise. This is not what I had in my mind, but it turned out good. I'm not mad, okay? So yeah, I just wish summer wasn't over yet because I'm not ready. Anyway, so that's that. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hello, can you stay like your sister or brother, whatever? Okay, please just stay like that for the intro and maybe for the pictures. I need to take pictures to get that pigmentation. My nose is itchy, of course, as per usual.